Hi everyone, welcome to Pop Delicacies, and today we are going to do something fun and healthy at the same time. It's chicken salad. For that I have taken 250 grams boneless chicken, 2 boiled eggs, that's optional, little bit of greens. I have selected bok choy. You can see the leaves here. Take the leaves, spring onion and little bit of coriander leaves. Now these three vegetables here I'm going to make pickle out of it. Beetroot, carrots and onions. All these three vegetables I'm going to make pickle, and these vegetables here are going to be fresh and kept like that. Slices of cucumber, slices of tomatoes. I will show you the slices. Cut it thinly like this. This is capsicum. Now if you do not find green capsicum, you can replace it with red or green shredded cabbage, and I have used yellow color bell pepper. Again, if you do not find yellow color bell pepper, you can use other colors. So this is the chicken which I have marinated with little bit of salt and turmeric powder. You can see the color. That's because of the turmeric powder. You can leave it overnight or even half an hour to 1 hour is fine. Finally, this is the seasoning: salt, pepper, and use little bit of grated paneer at the end. Again, this is optional. I will show you pictures of salad that I have prepared with paneer and without as well. So it's up to you. You can decide. I'm showing you all the ingredients once again. Dressing I'm going to show you later on. Now let's get started. I have kept water in a pan and I am adding little bit of salt in it, and the gas is on, and I'm going to cover it up so that the water starts boiling. Give it a mix like this, and we are going to cover it and let it boil. If you leave it for a minute or so, it will start boiling. You can see it's boiling. I'm going to add chicken pieces in the boiling water. So basically this is the only cooking part in the entire recipe, where we boil the chicken. Do boil it for 8 to 10 minutes. Within that time the chicken will be completely cooked. You can see it has got cooked 8 to 10 minutes. It's cooked properly, and you please make sure that it has been cooked properly, because we are not cooking it again. Now let's make the pickle. Carrots, beetroots and onions we have here, thinly sliced. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vinegar in it. I'm using regular vinegar. You can also use balsamic vinegar if you have, or apple cider vinegar if you're fond of that. I'm using plain vinegar. Now I'm going to season it with little bit of pepper and salt. I have taken 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper right now, and I'm just sprinkling it on top, and I'm going to add little bit of salt as well along with pepper right now. And in various other step of preparing this salad, I'm going to keep adding seasonings like this, so it remains in that plate so that I can keep adding. And I'm going to give it a nice massage and mix it well with my hands. In a few minutes or so, the water will start coming out of these vegetables, the moisture content in it, and that's exactly how pickling happens. So let's massage it like this for at least a few minutes, and then we'll just leave it like that. Now in that same water where I boiled chicken, after turning off the gas, I just put some bok choy leaves what I had, and covered it and kept it like that for a minute or so, and it has become soft. The idea was to just make the leaves little soften, which the hot water has done. Now this boiled eggs, what I did, I just cut them up. These are hard boiled eggs, and I've added a little bit of pepper powder. Now I'm adding a little bit of salt as well. As I said, I'm going to keep seasoning in every step. Guys, this is the boiled chicken that I just took it out. Now let me show you. I'll just shred the chicken and show you how bite-sized pieces you must cut it into, just like this. Use your fingers and shred it. Also you can use a fork, like couple of forks, and you can shred it apart. I'm using my fingers here. Have a look at the sizes of the shredded chicken. Now this is my shredded chicken. All the cubes of chicken has been shredded. Now again I'm going to add seasoning as I told you. I'm adding little bit of pepper powder once again and mixing pretty well with the chicken pieces so that it gets coated well with pepper and it doesn't taste bland. Now let me add my fresh veggies as I said, the shredded cabbage, cucumber, tomatoes and bell pepper, capsicum, everything I'm adding in the shredded chicken. Now we are adding our greens, the bok choy, spring onion and coriander leaves. That's added. Now we are going to add our pickle veggies. This is how it looks like after being pickled and kept for 5 to 10 minutes. You can see it has softened up, the colors have become more bright, it has released some water. You can see bright pink color. Now that's from the beetroot basically. Let's add our pickle. Now we are on to our dressing part. This is finely chopped garlic that I have cut. There are 2 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Now I am adding 2 teaspoon mustard oil. You can also use olive oil if you don't want to use mustard oil or if you don't have. I personally like the pungent taste of mustard oil. And now I am adding little bit of salt. 2 teaspoon of lime juice. This is freshly squeezed lime juice that I am using. And also 1 teaspoon vinegar I am going to use. Both lime juice and vinegar are acidic in nature. That's added. Now I'm going to use 2 teaspoon chili flake. Now this chili flake quantity you can use as per your taste, okay? And this is mustard cream. Instead of mustard cream, if you have Dijon mustard, you can also use that. And I'm adding little bit of sugar. It's like 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. You can also use honey in place of sugar. Let's give it a nice mix. Mustard cream should be completely dissolved in this entire dressing. There should not be any lumps of it. Again, as I was saying, you can use Dijon mustard, or the Bengalis, they will be aware of something called kashundi. You can use that as well if you are fond of that. Now I'm going to give a nice mix to all these veggies along with chicken, which I just kept on adding one by one. I'm just I just mixed it, and now I'm going to pour the dressing on top. Look how glossy and bright it is looking. Don't worry about the raw garlic, because once it mixed with the vinegar and lime and mustard oil, it just becomes little mellow. And after getting mixed with the pickled vegetables, chicken, everything else, you will actually not feel that there is any raw garlic in the recipe when you're having it. It actually gives a very nice taste to the entire recipe, salad recipe. Now finally I'm just adding those hard boiled eggs on top of the salad. This is totally optional, as I was mentioning, guys. You can either use it or skip it. If you do not eat eggs, you don't have to use it, or if you're not a fan of eggs, you can again skip it. I just like eggs, so I just thought that will be a good addition to this recipe. That's why there are 2 eggs that I have cut it into 8 pieces, and I'm just garnishing this whole thing. You will be able to see pictures with eggs and paneer, and also images without eggs and paneer, as I was mentioning. Now this is done. As I was saying, paneer, I'm going to just shred little bit of paneer on top. It also gives a very nice pretty look, and adds little bit of richness to the entire salad recipe, because It's filled with veggies and basically chicken breast, so not high calorie food. And paneer itself is a low calorie cheese, uh, also known as cottage cheese. Now here are the images. As I was saying, this is without paneer and eggs, and here is with the paneer and eggs. I hope you have liked it. I hope you prepare it at home. It's easy for the college goers, it's easy for the moms to prepare it for their kids and stay healthy. Hope you enjoyed watching the preparation of this recipe, guys. Give me some thumbs ups if you liked it, and let me know how it turns out in the comment section when you prepare it at home. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.